beta.
Last.
Okay, beta, you can carry on. Can we start? Sonal, we can start. Let them join.
Okay, no issue.
Okay, Sonal. So let me give you a brief introduction that we did in our first lecture. Actually, I have divided few modules, like few modules of personality in different parts. So the first part was stress cycle. Yes, Forum, you can make your video open so that we can have interactive session. This is a very live and interactive session that we are going to have. So let's share the screen. And I'm just giving you a brief introduction that we had done so far. Hello, Forum. How are you doing?
Hi, first class. I'm at home.
Okay, today is your holiday, right? You are working there.
Yeah, Sunday.
Yeah. Okay. So let me give you the brief discussion that we had done earlier in our demo lecture. We had this how to increase. I think my slide is visible at your end. How to increase your life score. The slide is
Yes.
visible. Okay. So this was the first topic. In that we had mainly concentrated on the two factors, stress and sleep cycles. So it was basically started with deep breathing. We had just started this belly breathing technique just to cool us down, because we had played a game, and in that game we just explore few of our personality traits. So uske liye what we did, we practiced belly breathing. I'll tell you again. Place one hand on your chest and another hand on your belly. So if you can practice this with me, this will take hardly 2 to 3 minutes. We'll do a belly breathing. So this will help us cool down. We'll inhale deeply through our nose, and on the count of 4, you will be inhaling, and on the count of 4, you'll be exhaling through your mouth. So I'll be counting 1, and make sure your belly should not, this chest should not get inflated. It should be only your belly that should inhale, and your belly should get expand. So make this point very clear. Your chest should not expand, but your belly should expand. So let us check this way. You can keep one finger, one hand on your stomach, and another hand on your chest, and do it with me. In the counting of 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this way we are inhaling, and on the counting of 4, we'll be exhaling through belly. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this will relieve the stress that we may have from our day-to-day life. So this is all about deep breathing techniques that we had practiced. We asked some common question. Yes, Forum and Sonal, these questions are even available for you too. You can answer these questions in the chat window personally to me privately, so that we can work over it. And by the end of the lecture, you will be getting some surprising results of your own self after playing the activity game. If the time permits, then only we'll do the activity game. Otherwise, we'll proceed with the today's topic. That is all about what is personality. Forum and Sonal. Yes, you
Yeah. Should I speak directly or should I do the message?
You can, Forum. You can. If you are not comfortable, then only you have to message me in the chat window.
No, actually, I have a yes for all answers. So I'm comfortable. Do you find it difficult to get along with the people? No, I'm very friendly with all the peoples, and I can mix up with anybody.
Very good,
With Aman
Forum.
also.
People
Yeah,
having
people
trouble getting on with you.
No, I
Most
don't.
probably no.
Okay.
Okay, Sonal. So Sonal, your first answer is left. Sonal, you can also answer me.
No, I could not find difficult to get along with the people.
That is okay. So you both are the first answers are no. Second one, people having trouble getting on with you, yes or no?
No.
Okay. Third one, do you feel inadequate? Inadequate in terms of your any of the aspects, physical, mental, spiritual, or intellectual? Yes, Forum, you can answer, and Sonal, you can also answer. Anytime in your life. Anytime in your life you experience self-doubt, doubt in our one's own capability. Yes, Forum, you can also answer.
Sometimes
It happens. And okay.
sometimes I feel.
And,
Yes, sometimes.
okay, Sonal, and what about the third one? The third question.
You feel inadequate. Not that much, but yeah.
Okay, Forum, your video is not visible. Is it because of the network connectivity?
Yeah, I can turn on.
Okay, Forum.
Actually, I'm not feeling comfortable with my video because I forgot your meeting and just suddenly I open my WhatsApp and I check your message.
Okay,
So,
okay, Forum. So let me give you just, this is because to get the connectivity more stronger, that is why I want you to all, and we are just few, so we can keep the videos on. There's no connectivity issues. So yeah, it's all right, Forum. If you are not comfortable, you can keep it off whenever you want to. So we had discussed some of the stress factors, and what about the sleep cycles, science behind the sleep cycles, and how to calculate the different stages of our sleep that we had calculated that day. So that was all about our first lecture. This was just a summary. The hypnogram we have drawn. Hypnogram is nothing but a sleep versus time cycle. How many stages you have and how it varies with time. So that also we discussed. Then these were the main exercises that we had done. Then the first exercise was all about getting your life score, that is your own self, your own life, and we had calculated your score, and based on that score there were few judgmental criteria which the medical practitioners, the researchers who are working in this area of development, they are doing in this direction. So I have just given few points. These were the few criteria in which we had discussed and researched, and then this was one of the factor in that activity, and this one was another, and this was all about my first demo lecture. Now we are progressing towards the full-fledged course of events. So in that I have planned my second lecture that will be basically now focusing more on the subject. Let us discuss what is personality all about as per your perception, as per your take. So you can share your view so that we can make the session interactive. What is personality as per your knowledge?
personality means suppose I interact with someone, I go outside or anywhere in family or everywhere, but when I mix up and whatever the influence of us or whatever the impact of our nature and behavior towards others, and what that is the effect of on all surrounding peoples. That is a simple wording definition of personality.
Okay,
कि
that is
हमारे 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 प्रेजेंस के साथ आजू बाजू लोगों को क्या फील होता है और वो हमारे बारे में हमारे बिहेवियर के अनुरूप क्या सोचते हैं.
okay. So Sonal, your take. I want to get your take so that we can discuss something, the different dimensions of personality in this lecture. First of all, I want to get your view.
Okay,
You can make a
physical,
note.
it's okay. Physical personality doesn't matter, but अगर intellectual है, मतलब कि कोई इंसान बहुत intelligent है या कुछ भी, तो मुझे वो ज्यादा impressive लगता है वो person में.
Okay, so this is about personal, your perspective of personality. Okay, now let me tell you some of the things which is available in various books. Whenever you'll learn, you'll see habits of development, how the habits of growing up, how to be a seeker to a learner. So in these books, you will find some specific traits, and those specific traits will divide your personality basically in 4 different parts. I will tell you, there its personality is basically the collection of your physical, mental, intellectual, and spiritual growth. When you will be impressed with anybody's personality, or when you want to enhance your personality, you will be focusing on these 4 factors: physical, mental, spiritual and intellectual. And now let us focus more on the first trait. Why physical trait is kept as the first one, that I will tell you why it is kept as the first one. Because when you'll enter you have always been able to this proverb is very common now, the first impression is the last impression, right? So many a times when you enter a room, what makes an impact, what creates an impact is your personality only. Then when the interviewer will start interviewing you, then only he'll get to know your intellectual skills. But the first thing that will come across his mind is your first physical being. So let us discuss some aspects and I will give you the overview, and as per the task and as per the activities that we are doing throughout the week, so we will enhance these special traits. So let me tell you exercise, why everybody is doing exercise and we all are focusing more on the exercise, because we all know that this is one factor which is going to enhance our physical being. Acha, isme, this is just a knowledge point of view, a science which is behind exercises. If you want to lose 1 pound, you both are engineer, so you must be knowing that 1 pound is 0.45 kgs, and to burn 1 pound, that is just 40.45 kgs, you must burn 3,500 calories. So this is a big amount. So now I will give you I am just giving you an example. आपको इनमें से बताना है which activity you are doing in daily basis, like strolling, जो हिंदी में we call टहलना. Just ऐसे मजे में just we have a brisk walking. और टहलना हम जो word use करते हैं ना, टहल के आते हैं मतलब ऐसे दोस्तों के साथ घूम के आते हैं, मटर गश्ती करके हल्का फुल्का घूम के. So that is टहलना. So strolling is the first activity. Walking or golfing, any activity of your choice. Table tennis, badminton, tennis, cycling, downhill skiing or running. Which out of these you do on a regular basis?
Walking.
Walking, okay. And Forum does?
Yeah, I'm also doing walking.
Okay. So
अभी तो वो भी बंद है. Honestly speaking, lockdown के कारण 2 महीने से सब कुछ बंद है.
बंद है. अब सुनिए, what is importance? Yes, walking is, देखिए ये जो this whole thing that I have drawn is all about walking and golf. They will give you the same calorie burn. Now I will show you strolling, जो टहलना होता है, that is the least form of the exercise. आप मतलब कुछ नहीं कर रहे तो टहल भी रहे हैं तो that is also okay. And then comes walking and golfing, which will burn your calories just उसमें ये जो आपको ये less than arrow है, I think you can understand कि less than is the, and which will burn the most of the calories is the running. If you are running, you are burning the maximum calories, and that will be the fastest method to enhance your physical being, or if you want your, yes, the physical being for the time being. So let me tell you, walking and golfing will reduce the same amount of calories. Then table tennis, badminton, or tennis, lawn tennis, cycling, downhill skiing, we are not doing right here. यहाँ पे तो ऐसा माहौल नहीं है, but these are the medical terminologies which they have derived through various exercise activities. Now, अब होना क्या है कि you both are doing walking. So let us talk only about walking exercise. Walking के बारे में अगर बात करें, so what is the importance of walking? We all should walk every day minimum. I'll share the slide so that we can go further. Just let me stop this. Okay, you both are doing walking exercise, and walking is essential on a daily basis. आप अगर अभी बाहर नहीं जा पा रहे हैं, जिस तरह से आपने बोला Forum, so you can practice the same at home. Best foot forward. This means you can get maximum benefits by 45 to 60 minutes of walking only 3 times a day. अगर आप daily भी नहीं निकाल पा रहे हैं time, तो you can only spare 3 times a week. Sorry, I said a day. 3 times a week. आप 7 days में केवल 3 दिन निकालिए, and you can go for a walk. और अभी बाहर नहीं जाते तो we can have house, घर के अंदर ही you can have एक ही place पे you can keep on moving and keep on jogging at a single place. That activities you should continue doing. or the first factor, that is the physical factor. Now, muscles of iron, nerves of steel. You must have listened to this proverb by Swami Vivekananda. So what is real personality? We are coming into this topic very first. Now, 4 dimensions: physical, mental, intellectual, and spiritual, that we had already discussed. We have to now understand what is the difference between change and development. A change is a one-day process. You can make over yourself. You can go into a saloon and can come out as a beautiful, different being. You can get a good haircut done. You can get a good spa done. You can transform. You can change yourself in a day. Changing is a short term. This is the term which is for the short period. But development or transformation requires rigorous practice and continuous day lifestyle change. So as this flowchart represents, I'm talking to you both in professional languages, because you people are from technical ground, so you will be understanding the concepts of the different terminologies that I'll be using. See, projects is the first module and the first phase of this flowchart. Then various projects together will take small projects. They will make us make some changes in our body, in our outlook, in our perspective. And by having so many changes in our perspective, in our outlook, gradually all those changes will give us a transformation. So it's not a one-day process, it's not a two-day process, it's in our lifestyle, it's the way we live our life. So that this is all about the development or the transformation phase. Now, the first parameter was the physical dimension. So how can we improve it? Okay. Yes, Sonal and Forum, this is a very nice activity for you too. I'm giving you the annotation facility. Yes, I'm just keeping it on. You can annotate, you both can annotate on my window and just make a tick mark or a cross mark. If you can use stamping. Annotate me, there's one option, stamp. Stamp me, there's a tick mark or a cross mark. Whichever you are doing out of these 4, you can make tick or you can cross. No need to, I don't want to know कि किसने क्या किया, बस दोनों में से I just want to get the response. दोनों tick होने चाहिए, otherwise दोनों it should be like मुझे ये नहीं
नहीं हो रहा।
अच्छा, let me give you the
I have no dumbbells, so वो तो मेरा हो ही नहीं रहा है।
Allowed, share, annotate on shared content is allowed by the participants. I have already allowed. You can annotate. Achha, you are using on mobile Forum?
Yeah, I'm on mobile.
And directly, okay. On just moving your finger.
Okay, ना मैं आपको directly बता देती हूँ मैं कौन सी कर सकती हूँ या कौन सी नहीं हो रही।
That's okay. That's better.
मेरे पास dumbbells नहीं है, so I never use dumbbells. तो वो last से लेके तीसरा वाला वो दोनों नहीं होंगे।
Forum, I am talking about this one. Let me show you. I am talking about these 4 points. यहाँ पे nutritious food. Yes.
Okay. Nutritious food, इसमें से कौन सा नहीं हो रहा है मुझे वो बताना है ना आपको।
Yes.
मेरा सेल्फ कंट्रोल नहीं है। मैं हर रोज रात को सोचती हूँ कि मुझे आज 12 बजे 11:30 बजे सो ही जाना है, लेकिन अगर मोबाइल हाथ में ले लिया है कुछ अच्छा सा दिख गया तो 2 भी बज जाते हैं।
Instagram खोला तो you will be out, है ना, out of self control।
हाँ, मतलब अगर मूवीज या कोई सीरीज का अच्छा एपिसोड देख लिया तो मेरा कंट्रोल सोचने के बाद, डिसाइड करने के बाद भी नहीं रहता है। 2 भी बजते हैं, 3 भी बजते हैं, फिर पूरा दिन दूसरे दिन पता चलता है कि हाँ
2 और 3 भी बजते हैं। फोरम रात में 2 और 3 भी बजते हैं।
हाँ, समटाइम्स हॉलीडेज के टाइम पे। सपोज कल की बात करूँ, आज पता है छुट्टी है, मॉर्निंग में जल्दी नहीं उठना है, तो कल मैं 2:30 बजे सोई थी। Okay, Forum. So only the one factor that is not in your background. रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज भी नहीं होती है। रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज अभी बंद है, पहले करती थी लेकिन अब बंद हो गया है। थैंक्स टू मतलब कोई भी सिचुएशन कहो, अभी खाने का मूड है तो वो पूरा खाने का और वही चल रहा है। अभी रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज बंद हो गई है। 2 चीज नहीं है। कल्टीवेट गुड हैबिट्स अभी मेंटेन है, जो मैंने रेगुलर हैबिट्स रखी थी वो अभी भी चल रही है, वो दिक्कत नहीं है। लेकिन हाँ, जब रिलैक्स मोड होता है तब सेल्फ कंट्रोल चला जाता है, स्पेशली ऑन मोबाइल और सोशल मीडिया। और रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज अभी 0 है।
Okay, so out of 4, you are unable to cope up with the regular exercises. That's true. Being a working lady and having kids, it's very difficult to get with regular exercises. And the last one is self-control. Yes, Sonal, you can also discuss your point.
Yes. I'm also go with the regular exercise and self-control. Yes.
Okay, the same one. Okay. Otherwise, nutritious food, we are all nowadays we are very much particular about the first point. So that we all are doing nowadays, and cultivating good
वो
habits.
मेंटेन होता है,
हाँ,
वो अच्छे से मेंटेन होता है, याद करके भी खा लेते हैं और
correct,
गंदा वाला भी खा लेते हैं, अच्छा वाला भी खा लेते हैं, तो वो बैलेंस हो जाता है.
correct. So now let me share the next point. So this one is over. So let me share the next slide, which is all about. I'm just stopping this one. And let me go to the next one. Okay, so out of this we will focus on the two, that is the self-care one, and the second one is the regular exercise. Regular exercise is nothing, you all know, which are important and which is good for your health, that you will practice whenever you will be having that vigor in your mind that now I have to do something for myself. That time you will start, and that only need a particular direction, a particular push, so that whenever you'll get, you'll and that is only up to you. Nobody can give this this direction. This will only come from within. So I am pretty sure that this will happen. And regarding self-control, that we are coming towards the next topic. So let me give you that. Now, physical dimension is over. Now let us talk about the mental dimension. See, in this time, we are just getting your reviews so that we can frame some conclusion by the end. In mental dimension, have you ever heard of the chasing monkey and the monk story of Swami Vivekananda?
Chasing.
Actually, this is nowadays Swami Vivekananda is the youth icon. So
Yeah.
we should keep on reading few books or exploring some novels. So there are many good incidences that these people share, and they make us think differently. So once Swamiji was returning from his school, and a monkey started chasing him. So when the monkey started chasing him, there was a monk sitting by the side of the road, and the monk said, what happened actually, Swamiji got panicked and he started running heavily. Whatever he had in at that point of time, he was not a big man, he was just like you and me. So he was just thinking of saving his life, so he was just running in the road where the monkey was chasing behind him. And then at that time, a monk was sitting by the side of the street. He just said, when you'll run, that monkey will not going to spare you, but you have to stop and face that monkey, right? Taking your decision, stop, and then you take whatever and think from your calm mind. So that is what is he adopted. This specific situation has changed his life, and from then onwards he stopped running from his difficulties, and then he decided to stop and face the reality, face the things which are coming. We face the, so in this story, chasing monkey is the difficulties, the hurdles in our life, and a monk is any driving force, any one person, any one incident, any one turning point in our life. So this way, this whole story is about the career building or the personality building of Sri Swami Vivekananda. He famously said, whatever you think, that you will be. If you think that you are beautiful, you are best, you are having in the most best family in the world, so you will start feeling the same. You will start feeling that you are beautiful. You need not to be get this stamp from anybody that you are beautiful. You should feel that what you are, you should be comfortable in your own shoes. Then you will feel that the whole universe conspires for your accuracy or for your freedom in every sense. So that is what it's all about. Whatever you think, you will be that person, you will be that thing. So always have a very positive mind, always. And the next one, that is the mental dimension we were talking all about. How, okay, now open question, how many of you are doing these activities on a daily basis or on a monthly basis, or I would say 2 months, any of these? Practicing meditation, positive thinking, and reading a mind strengthening literature, any novels, books, or anything on the social media, any follow, you follow someone who is delivering some kind of lecture like Sadhguru or anyone. I have many youth icons like Maheshwari, Sandeep Maheshwari, anyone. you follow regularly. So I want again your output, Sonal and Forum.
No, ma'am, I am not doing anything from
Okay.
read,
So
mind,
or
literature.
mental, none of the positive thinking.
Sometimes I just saw the video on YouTube, पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग के रिगार्डिंग कभी कभार, नॉट वो भी कुछ और ढूंढने के टाइम पे कुछ और में दिख जाता है और मजा आता है तो उसको कंटिन्यू करते हैं, नॉट स्पेशली हैबिचुअल हूँ कि नहीं मुझे आज ये बाकी है तो ये करना है, ऐसा नहीं, कभी कभार
No.
बस ऐसा ही अच्छा लगा तो उसको कंटिन्यू करती हूँ, दैट्स इट.
कभी कोई ऐसा नहीं अच्छा लगा फोरम कि जिसको हमेशा कंटिन्यू करने का मन हुआ कि अगर ये इतना अच्छा है तो व्हाई आई एम अवे फ्रॉम दिस नॉलेज, so why shouldn't I continue this now onwards? ऐसा कभी
नहीं वो ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं करना था, लेकिन क्या होता है हर एक के हर रोज का दिन अलग अलग एंड होता है, तो आज फुर्सत है तो देख लिया, दूसरे दिन कुछ अलग शेड्यूल होता है तो याद भी नहीं आता है कि हाँ कल जो देखा था वो मजा आया तो चलो आज भी वो चीज करनी है, तब तक कुछ और नया टास्क
okay, so
पता
this
ही नहीं
is
चलता है.
right. So we had discussed two dimensions, that is physical and mental. Now let us come to the intellectual and very less explored field, that is the intellectual dimension. The very first statement Sonal has given us, we all have to develop a very strong discriminative. We have to discriminate between good or bad, between true or false, or which is good for me or which is bad for me. That discrimination power and determinative intellect. Determination is something that आज ठान लिया तो करना ही है. अब मैंने ठान लिया कि इतने केजीज रिड्यूस करने हैं, मैंने ठान लिया कि एक नॉवेल कंप्लीट करनी है, मैंने ठान लिया कि मुझे अपने ऊपर वर्क करना है, तो करना ही है. that determinative power. So these three together will enhance your intellect, जो कि सोनल ने भी अपने स्टेटमेंट में फ्रेम किया था. So now the last thing, and many people think कि नहीं हम spiritual नहीं है, हम भगवान नहीं मानते, हम we are atheist, हमें नहीं विश्वास है ब्रह्म विष्णु महेश पे, हम नहीं करेंगे योगा में ओम नहीं बोलेंगे. तो डोंट डू दैट. आपको जिसमें विश्वास है आप वो करिए. आपको विश्वास है आप ओम नहीं बोलोगे, आप हम बोलिए. आपको पता है कि these sounds are important, तो वो साउंड बोलिए. बट स्पिरिचुअल डायमेंशन इज द डिमेंशन विच एवरीबडी इग्नोर्स. किसी को भी नहीं लगता कि ये डायमेंशन भी जरूरी है लाइफ में, बिकॉज there are 4 different temperaments of people and they can select 4 different paths. They can go for bhakti. If they don't believe in bhakti, they can go for gyan. ज्ञान तो सबको चाहिए ना, इवन एथिस्ट, फॉलोअर्स, गॉड फॉलोअर्स, सबको चाहिए. योर कर्म, योर वर्क and your Raj Yoga, that is the path of devotion, the path of discrimination, the path of selfish action and the path of meditation. इनमें से whichever dimension is applicable at your end, that you can follow. So I just want to know intellectual and spiritual पे कितना ध्यान दिया है फोरम एंड सोनल आपने अभी तक?
इंटेलेक्चुअल बता सकती हूँ कि एक बार मैंने कुछ ठान लिया है देन 100% आई कैन डू, और उसके लिए मैं काफी कैपेबल और स्ट्रांग भी हूँ, मतलब कुछ भी आ जाए. हाँ प्रॉब्लम से हर्डल्स आते हैं लेकिन टिकी रहने का मेरा है, मतलब रहता है. और मैं आपकी 4 योगा में से सबसे ज्यादा मेरे लिए पीसफुल है तो कर्मा योगा. मैं करती भी हूँ, मुझे मजा आता है, और मेरे सन के साथ मैंने हैबिट भी रखी है कि कुछ चीजें ऐसी करनी है जिसमें कुछ सोचे समझे या प्लान किया हुआ ना हो, बस करने को मजा आ रहा है तो करो. फिर उसमें कुछ भी डोनेशन से लेके कुछ भी हो सकता है, इवन पप्पी के साथ खेलना या फिर स्ट्रीट डॉग्स को खिलाना, वो सब चीजें मुझे अच्छी लगती है, तो वो मेरा रूटीन रहता है.
Wow. Okay. Karma yoga is the favorite one.
Yeah.
So your take on intellectual and spiritual part?
Yes, मैं भी जो भी डिसाइड करती हूँ वो करती हूँ. एक्चुअली आफ्टर बेबी मुझे लगा बीएड इज कंपलसरी, तो मैंने रेगुलर बेसिस पे बेबी के साथ भी मैंने उसको कंप्लीट किया, और आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ बीएड आई गॉट द मतलब नाइस जॉब आफ्टर दैट.
करेक्ट.
सो मैं भी मानती हूँ कि जो एक बार मुझे लगता है कि करना चाहिए, दैट मैं उसके पीछे लगती हूँ ऐसे.
Perfect. And what about this spiritual dimension? What out of these 4 temperaments, which one do you have more inclination towards?
हाँ, कर्मा योग इज बेस्ट, क्योंकि कर्म ही हमें मतलब अलग बनाते हैं.
Very good. Wow, that is work is worship. No, हमारा
हाँ, work
काम
workshop.
काम ही हमारी पूजा है. अभी हमारे बच्चे रो रहे हैं एंड वी स्टार्ट पूजा पाठ करने बैठे हैं, घंटी हिलाने से आई थिंक इवन गॉड विल नॉट बी हैप्पी. So
सही है.
God will also say कि go and first take your baby and take care of him and then come back and do my puja. So that is what all about karma yoga, and that is what about our regular deeds. Okay, now self discipline is all about few questions, so I'm just throwing it off. How far can I depend on others to develop my personality?
How far can I depend on others?
This is for Sonal. For forum, I will ask the second one. How far can I depend on others? N is missing. I've just typed it and got it undone.
It's okay, no issue.
Yeah, how far can I depend on others to develop my personality?
हाँ, we can ask them. मतलब हमारी नेगेटिविटी, मतलब हमारा नेगेटिव पॉइंट उनसे पूछ के हम उस पे वर्क ऑन कर सकते हैं ऐसे. कि आपको नेगेटिव, हाँ, हम में नेगेटिव या पॉजिटिव क्या लगता है वो हम पूछ के उसके ऊपर वर्क कर सकते हैं.
That is working on your feedback, getting the feedback, reviews from the colleague or the friend.
रिव्यूज फ्रॉम दी अदर्स, ताकि फीडबैक मिले तो हमें उस पे वर्क करने में ज्यादा मतलब इफेक्ट रहता है हमारा उस पे.
Forum, for you the second question is open. Our children are so sensitive that we are afraid of telling them anything. We do not know how they will react. How should we deal with them? This is a situation that I have given you because you have a son, and even Sonal has, but
Yeah.
it's a question for you.
सबसे पहले कुछ कहने से पहले मैं कुछ रिक्रिएशन करने का हैबिट रखती हूँ कि डायरेक्टली कोई पॉइंट पे नहीं आना है. उससे पहले उसके रिगार्डिंग स्टोरीज बनानी है, सर्कमस्टेंस क्रिएट करने है, उसको समझाना है, और उसके बाद जो पॉइंट मुझे उसको कहना है कि जिसके कारण उसको शायद इफेक्ट आए, तो उससे पहले उसको मेंटली प्रिपेयर करना है. किसी को भी छोटे बच्चे को कहना है तो उसको डायरेक्टली कोई पॉइंट नहीं कहना है, उसके पहले किसी और का एग्जांपल देके पॉजिटिवली उसको वो इंसिडेंट को एक्सप्लेन करना है, और उसके बाद हमारी जो मुद्दे की बात है वो भी समझानी है कि ये ऐसा भी हो सकता है और वैसा, मतलब पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव दोनों सेट्स उसके बाद हम उसको बताएंगे. लेकिन एक चीज है कि डायरेक्टली थ्रो करने से शायद वो अपने छोटे से दिमाग के हिसाब से उसका अपना इंटरप्रिटेशन निकाल देगा. तो वो बात से पहले हमें पूरा इन शॉर्ट पूर्व भूमिका पूरी बनानी है, उसके बाद जो मेन कंटेंट है वो डिलीवर करना रहेगा.
That is what we have discussed. We have to be very patient with this, with anyone. You both are teachers. Now, one question is open for you both. That is, do you think that you will be developing personality of your students by your teaching methodologies or from your way of dealing with them? Will you be able
Yeah.
to? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So many times. Actually, girls have so many influence. Okay, girls, मतलब when I am dealing with it, it's all our teenage, 18 to 21 years. तो अगर मैं क्लास में एंटर होती हूँ तो मेरे ड्रेसिंग सेंस, मेरे चप्पल, इयरिंग्स से लेके मेरी हेयर स्टाइल से लेके मेरी स्पीच फ्लो सब कुछ ऑब्जर्व होता है, और उनके रिएक्शंस, उनके फीडबैक्स, उनकी इंटरेक्शंस, उनकी बातों से पता चलता है हाउ मच दे लाइक मी, और कौन सी चीज उनको किस तरह से किस अंदाज में ज्यादा पसंद है. कभी गुस्सा करती हूँ तो उसका भी फीडबैक मिलता है. मतलब हमारी जानी अनजानी दोनों बातें उनपे कहीं ना कहीं इफेक्ट तो होती है, और उसके कारण उनको जो अच्छा लगता है वो ट्राई भी करते हैं. लाइक मैं पढ़ाती हूँ तो बच्चों को मेरी स्पीच कभी कभार पसंद आती है तो वो बोलते हैं. मैं पढ़ाने के अलावा दूसरा ज्ञान बोलती देती हूँ ना, उनमें ज्यादा मजा आता है उनको, क्योंकि पढ़ाई लिखाई में इंटरेस्ट इतना नहीं होता है.
इतना नहीं होता है उनको, इधर उधर की बातों में ज्यादा मजा आता है. ओके.
ज्यादा मजा आता है, और मैं इधर उधर की बातें मस्त अच्छे से मसालेदार स्टोरी बना के सुनाती हूँ, तो उनको याद भी नहीं रहता है कि रिसेस का टाइम हो गया है, नाउ वी शुड लीव.
Okay, so this is the nice incident shared by you. Now, Sonal, any of your experience in this last one?
रिसेंटली 9th स्टैंडर्ड में मैंने वेव टॉपिक पढ़ाया था, तो मैंने स्टूडेंट्स को ही मतलब लॉन्गिट्यूडनल ट्रांसवर्स वेव उनके थ्रू ही समझाया था. मतलब उनको मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि मैम एक्टिविटी थ्रू करवाते हैं तो साइंस इजी लगता है ऐसे.
तो आपने वेव्स बच्चों को ही बना, मतलब वेव्स प्रोपगेशन बच्चों को ही बना के यू एक्सप्लेन द कॉन्सेप्ट.
हाँ, तो वो मतलब उनको लगता है कि साइंस जैसा भी कुछ रियल लाइफ में भी होता है. मैं कनेक्ट करती हूँ हर एक चीज को ऐसे कि रियल लाइफ में, हाँ, मतलब ऐसे डेफिनेशन समझा दी, उससे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. बट उन्होंने एक्टिविटी की और दूसरों ने देखी तो ज्यादा मतलब उनको ज्यादा समझ में आ जाता है ऐसे।
That is
तो
what
मतलब वो, हाँ, वो पर्सनालिटी है मेरी कि मैं जो भी होता है वो एक्टिविटी बेस्ड करवाती हूँ, तो उससे वो लोग ज्यादा इम्प्रेस होते हैं और साइंस पढ़ने पे मजबूर हो जाते हैं ऐसा।
So Sonal, the thing that you have just discussed is called the kinesthetic way of learning. जो आप पढ़ाते हैं सोनल, वो kinesthetic way से पढ़ाते हैं. देखिए learners भी हमारी पूरी, for example, I am teaching 80 students in a physical class. In that there are various categories of students. Some will be, आपको खुद पता होगा कि जब हम पढ़ रहे हैं तो हमारे साथ पढ़ने वाला हर एक बच्चा अलग अलग तरह से चीजों को सीखता है. जो आप पढ़ाते हैं सोनल, that is kinesthetic way of teaching or learning. And in that we will involve people with us in the activities so that they will be understanding and grasping and actually engulfing the concepts. पूरा पी जाते हैं वो concept को बोल के वो पी जाते हैं when they are actually doing it with us. तो जब वो हमारे साथ कर रहे हैं, मतलब जब हम इसलिए मैं सोनल, ये जो हम टास्क करते हैं ये इसलिए करते हैं क्योंकि जब तक आप खुद कर नहीं रहे, जैसे कि अभी मैंने बोल दिया कि ये बुक अच्छी है, अच्छी बुक है नहीं, अच्छी बुक तब पता चलेंगी जब हमने वो रीड कर ली, हाथ में लिया, और दैट इज व्हाट फीलिंग. मतलब जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज माय बुक, अगर मैंने इस बुक को हाथ में लिया है और मैंने इसको पढ़ना चालू किया एंड आई स्टार्ट राइटिंग डाउन, तो आई एम अ राइट, मतलब मुझे हर चीज लिख के पसंद आती है, तो मैं एक कैटेगरी की उस तरह की पर्सन हूँ जिसको लिख के चीजें अच्छी लगती हैं. दूसरा पर्सन होता है कि केवल वर्बल, केवल ओरल बोलो, डोंट डिस्टर्ब मी, आई डोंट वांट टू राइट. ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, दे डोंट मेंटेन नोट्स. आप बोलते रहो कि मेंटेन माय नोट्स, मेंटेन माय सेपरेट नोटबुक, दे विल नॉट मेंटेन, बिकॉज दे these kind of learners are, they are verbal learners. उनको हर चीज ओरली याद हो जाती है, they don't want to write, they don't need to write. but हम being a teacher, हम हमेशा उनको बोलते हैं you keep on writing, अरे मैं डिक्टेट कर रही हूँ आप लिखो. So these are and आप जो पढ़ा रहे हैं, that is kinesthetic way of teaching and learning. उसमें मैंने पढ़ाया, मैंने उनको ये बुक ऐसे नहीं मैं पढ़ा के छोड़ नहीं दूंगी, मैं ये बुक उनके हाथ में दूंगी. they will feel the texture, they will like the cover, they will start, when they will start reading it, they will read the reviews, they will read the summary, the preface, and once they will love this, then only they will finish it. Even one day, one night में वो finish करते हैं. So there are various categories of learning. So these are under neuro-linguistic types of learning, where we are dealing with the neurons of the students, and through our verbal and language we are focusing, हम उनको attract कर रहे हैं, the way of हमारी teaching उनको पसंद आए, the way we want to deal with them. तो उस तरह के बच्चों को निकालने के लिए we should know the techniques कि कैसे लोग होते हैं, कैसे learners होते हैं, किस तरह के लोगों को कैसे डील करना है. अगर आपने उस kinesthetic learner को कहा कि नहीं 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 मैं तुम्हें बोल रही हूँ, you write down, तो he will never write down, he will never understand your concept. The moment you will understand कि ये kinesthetic learner है, इसको ऐसे पढ़ाना है मुझे, और ये तो verbal है, इसको तो केवल बोलूंगी and he will understand. इसको तो लिख के ही आएगा, ये तो लिख के. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मी, आई ऑलवेज राइट डाउन. मुझे तो कोई भी चीज, मैं तो नॉवेल भी पढ़ती हूँ, मैं ऑलवेज राइट, माय नॉवेल्स आर फुल ऑफ अंडरलाइंस, इतनी सारी अंडरलाइंस होती हैं. सो दिस इज माय वे ऑफ लर्निंग. आपका भी कुछ होगा, वैसे आपका फोरम एंड सोनल आपका भी कुछ टेक होगा. सो दैट इज व्हाट आई वांट टू डिस्कस ऑल अबाउट. यस, ओके सोनल, व्हाट इज योर एरिया, आप कैसे हो?
मतलब लर्निंग में कैसी हूँ ऐसा?
लर्निंग में the meeting will end in 1 minute, so we can have a discussion for 1 minute. It's less than a minute. Yeah.
Yes, मैं एक्टिविटी बेस्ड पे ज्यादा जाती हूँ. मुझे लिखना पसंद है बट थोड़ा कम ऐसे.
और पढ़ाने में मुझे एक्टिविटी पसंद है. जब मैं पढ़ाती हूँ मुझे तो एक्टिविटी वाले बच्चे पसंद है. बट वो है कि अब बहुत बड़ा क्राउड है, आप कॉलेज में पढ़ा रहे हैं, आप एक पूरे ग्रुप को पढ़ा रहे हैं, तो उसमें हमें डिफरेंशिएट करना पड़ेगा. अभी जैसे कि मेरे पास अगर 4-5 लोग हैं, उन 4-5 लोगों की आज मैंने आपसे इतना इंटरेक्शन किया, एक वो बिल्डअप हो जाता है कि कौन किस तरह का लर्नर है. तो हमें 4-5 ग्रुप में डिफरेंशिएट करना बहुत ईजी है. जब एक क्राउड है, और पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट में एक्चुअली हमें पूरे क्राउड को एड्रेस करने वाली पावर चाहिए. एंड यस फोरम, यू कैन ऑल्सो डिस्कस व्हाट टाइप ऑफ लर्नर यू आर.
एक्चुअली मेरा रीडिंग बेस ज्यादा रहता है, राइटिंग में थोड़ा मूड कम होता है. हाँ, कुछ चीजें ऐसी होती है जिसमें कंपलसरी डिफिकल्ट रहता है या कंटेंट वाइज ज्यादा है, तो उस केस में सिर्फ नोट्स या बुलेट्स बनाती हूँ, दैट्स इट, वो भी लिमिटेड.
So we are about to finish, and this was a nice
Yeah.
session. I enjoyed. I learned a lot about you too. Personality is not only about